In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Outlook. If you send a lot of emails, adding Grammarly to Outlook is a simple upgrade that helps you catch mistakes, improve clarity, and write more confidently right where you work. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Grammarly website. On the Downloads page, look for the option that matches your setup. If you're on Windows and want a direct add-in for Outlook, choose Grammarly for Microsoft Office. Otherwise, pick Grammarly for Windows or Grammarly for Mac, depending on your device. These installers are designed to integrate Grammarly with Outlook so you can use it without leaving your inbox. Click the download button to get the setup file. On Windows, you'll likely see a file name similar to Grammarly add-in setup.exe. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder, locate the file, and double-click it to launch the installation wizard. Follow the prompts in the wizard. When you're asked which apps to integrate with, make sure Microsoft Outlook is selected. If you also want Grammarly in Word, you can include that as well. If Outlook is open, the installer may ask you to close it so it can complete the setup, so save anything you're working on before proceeding. When the installation completes, close Outlook if it's still running, then reopen it. This reloads Outlook with the new Grammarly integration. At the top, in the Outlook ribbon, look for the new Grammarly tab. Click it and select Open Grammarly. Depending on your version and layout, you might also see a Grammarly icon on the Home tab that opens the same panel. Next, sign in with your Grammarly account to activate the service. This connects the add-in so it can start providing suggestions in your emails. Now compose a new message. Grammarly will appear as a sidebar or pane, highlighting potential issues as you type. You'll see suggestions for grammar, clarity, and style. Click a suggestion to apply it instantly, or open it to read a quick explanation so you understand the change. If you prefer a cleaner view while drafting, you can collapse the Grammarly panel and open it again from the ribbon when you're ready to review. If the new tab doesn't appear right away, try closing and reopening Outlook once more to refresh the add-in. After that, you're ready to write with confidence right inside Outlook. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.